been lovely and warm out today. I just haven't had the chance to go out on the bike until now, which is a shame, because I go back to work tomorrow after having like 3 months off. I'm not looking forward to it. I've come to realise as well, after watching the first footage back recording with this mic I've got in, it kind of sounds like my recordings are, I don't know, they're coming after, so it's like I've recorded it at home while watching the footage. It sounds weird, it sounds like there's not enough background noise. It's a weird one. I suppose it sounds kind of professional and neat, but it also makes it sound weird, as if I'm just doing voiceovers on my videos, which I can assure you I'm not. What are you doing? Why not just stop and wait, man? What's wrong with you? I suppose he slowed down enough and gave me enough room. I can't complain, really. Yeah, so I was going to do like top 5 tips for new riders. I've got like a little group of friends who've been riding years, and between us we've got like 73 years of riding experience, or something daft, between all 4 of us. Me being the top with 10. I'm only joking, because we didn't just go for legal riding experience. We went for like off-roading, green laning, riding crosses from when they were 4 years old. Like, there's a few experienced ones there. If we're talking about solo legal, then it's like 24 years of experience, me being the most with 10. But basically I asked them to come up with 1 tip each for like their top tip they would give to a new rider or somebody who wants to get into riding. And originally I thought, oh yeah, it's a great video idea, but then I had a look on YouTube and saw just how many people had done that. So you'll have to let me know if that's something you guys want, because it won't just be like one motor vlogger's opinion. It'll be, you know, all of our opinion, that you know, all 4 of us agreeing on the same ones, the best ones to give new riders. So if you do want that, let me know, and I can make a video like that. It's no drama. Ooh. Let's get close. Are these going to tell me to get off my bike, or take my headset off, take my helmet off? Probably. They probably are. I could already see them looking out the window. Cool. Boom. And off we go to Langdon, Longmore, fucking, I don't know, some pub. Skirt. Just realised I'm going to have to go back down to that roundabout and turn around. Shouldn't have come to Tesco's. Might as well go back the way I came. Come on, it's not a junction. But yeah, so we can do a top 5 tips for new riders. Brother! Nice. He legs the bike. Look at him flying on the old... Woo! That was... Let's go round and round and round and round. Feels like my back end's a bit slippy. No, we're good. Felt a bit weird there. Oh, bastard. Look at this poor cunt. I always feel bad when people get up their arse. So I'm going to sit behind him, getting blown all over. I'll sit behind him because then at least he'll get up my arse and not his. I remember what it was like to be like you. I remember going to my first bike meet at Wreckers Cafe in Maidstone on a Yamaha Viti 125, which is a scooter for anyone who doesn't know. Yeah, and I remember turning up to the meet feeling irrelevant because they all had like big Harleys and sports bikes, nakeds, and I was new to the bike scene. Turned up, very embarrassed, didn't want anyone to speak to me, and do you know what? There, they were all friendly, they all came out trying, asking what I want to get, asking what bike I wanted to get, asking me when I was going to do my list, how long I've been riding, asking when I was going to do my test, sorry, asking how long I've been riding, sitting on their bike. They were so friendly because at the end of the day, 2 wheels is 2 wheels, you know what I mean? 2 wheels and an engine. I don't know where to park. And they're all disabled. There's no motorbike parking. What's that wall there? I don't know where they are, so... we'll just park here, I guess.
I was expecting to get, I don't know, like a naked style bike.
I love my sports bikes.
I wasn't expecting to get like fucking this absolute weapon.
I love them too much. I had the 500 version of it, and then when I got told harms...
Like that white and red thing, wasn't it?
Yeah, white, red and blue.
What did 500 like?
Hey? 500, it was alright, but it maxed out at about 125. Where... Bye!
I want to see how fast it goes.
What, up here?
Don't dangerous.
This video might be a bit short with everything I've said. I basically was talking about one video I could make if you guys want to see it, but yeah, if this video is a bit short and lacking content, then yeah, that's why. I completely forgot I was making a video, to be honest. I was just enjoying myself. But if there is any content you guys want to see, any videos you recommend me doing that you want to watch or want my opinions on, then just let me know. Comment below and I will do my best to try and facilitate your wants and your needs, because this channel's there for you. It's not for me to sit here and drone on about shit nobody wants to listen to. You know, I can sit there and be creative and come up with ideas, but if you guys don't want to watch it, you know, I prefer you guys to put video suggestions and me try and fulfill what you want to see, so we can mould this channel and this community into what you guys want, rather than me forcing opinions on you, and yeah, shit like that. So it's down to yous.